Okay, so what's the area of the unshaded region? Now, let me ask you something, all right? So for people who are a little bit challenged for this particular problem, let me go ahead and copy this diagram. And let's put it here. And let me go ahead and go ahead and rewrite this. So what if I tell you this? Okay, what if I tell you that this is, oops, sorry, this is a bit too thick. What if I tell you that this is 5? This is 10. And this is 2. And this is 3. How would you find out the area of the unshaded region? How would you do it? You would do? Yes? Uh-huh. Good. Okay. So it's big minus small, big area minus small area, right? So I want you to see that conceptually you are perfectly good. Okay, you are great in terms of understanding the simple concept if they are in numbers. And because of this, you do the same thing. Okay. You're like, oh, so the area of the unshaded region is simply the area of the big the rectangle minus, let me go ahead and erase some of this right here. I need a little bit more space. Minus the area of the small rectangle. And now you just have to do your PEMDAS, the order of operation. So you have multiplication right here, multiplication right here. So you take care of them first. So on the left, it will be 15x squared plus 13x plus 2. Now, and this is where I'm going to be very careful. Put the minus. Because it's a minus, I'm going to put a pair of parentheses for what I'm going to compute. And I'm going to tell you that I would say maybe half of the class will forget about this. And I hope you are not that half. Okay? So 4x squared plus 4x minus 3. If you do not put the parentheses, things are totally flipped. And that's no bueno. All right, so 15x minus 4x squared, that would be 11x squared. 13x minus 4x, because of the minus right here, plus 9x. All right, now, what's the last number? Plus 5. Because it is plus 2 minus negative 3, which is plus 3. So therefore, it's a plus 5. Now, what I want to show you here today is this. Very simple. As you can see here, notations. Okay? Now, let me make one point very clear, loud and clear. If you are not being diligent with your notations, if you are sloppy with the notations, you are going to suffer a lot in the future. And all of these suffering could well be avoided by just putting a little bit of a heart into what you're writing. And things will be very good. And I want you to make sure that you remember what I said at the beginning of the class. It is all about your eyes. Train your eyes, train your brain. When you look at something, what is the meaning of the things? Don't just remember, don't just memorize what to do. Please also understand what is the meaning of all these notations, all right?